Good day, everybody. It's Father Spanky, and it is December 14th, 2022. I got my buddy Chubby right here, who picked out that tree right behind me. And today, Chubby's not going because he's a little scared of water, but we are going on a Duffy boat in Newport Beach. Me and Sarah and a lot of good friends are going to go with us. We're going to have a good time, good food, good drinks, and we're going to see a lot of Christmas lights, a lot of boats decorated. I wish Chubby could go, but I don't know if he can handle it's going to be freezing out there. So I got my beanie on, I got my jacket, and I also got another jacket. Addie and Brooklyn are over here. They just made some, I'm breathing heavy because Chubby is heavy. I've got him in one arm, and he looks comfortable, but I'm not very comfortable holding him here. But they made some wonderful brownies. Chubby is probably going crazy smelling them right now. He's like, what is that wonderful smell that I cannot have because it's chocolate, right? Chocolate's bad for dogs. Dogs cannot eat chocolate. Okay, Chubby, you can't have any. I'm gonna put Chubby down now. Oh God, Chubby. So that's what we're doing tonight. Why don't you guys come and join me? We're gonna have a good time. See a lot of Christmas lights, a lot of decorated boats out there in Newport Beach. I hope you guys have a good time because I know I will. Let's go. The sun is setting and we're on our way to Newport Harbor to see some beautiful Christmas lights. 27 minutes away, Fashion Island. This is where we're catching our Uber. It's 5:28. The Uber gets here at 5:30. We're right on time. We did it, Sarah. We made it. Ramez found a spot.
Yell at him.
Is that him? Ramez! Ramez, don't get ran over!
Have you ever raised a Chickarawakra?
Oh!
This car more comfy than Ramez's car back there?
Yeah.
The what?
This
The
car's more comfy
Chickarawakra.
than your car
Yeah.
back there. Yeah.
Have you?
I think I won this one.
They
I
used to
like it.
grow them in Mexico. The Chickarawakra. You heard of them?
Chica Waka.
Yeah.
Now it's different.
See video?
Wasn't it the Chico?
Yeah, you're on YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
I love lights.
Aw. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I didn't catch you guys doing something you shouldn't be doing.
So here we're going into Cliff and Donna's beautiful home in Newport Beach. How you doing?
Good.
My name's Warren.
Warren?
Warren.
Cliff.
Cliff, nice to meet you.
Me too.
Beautiful home.
Donna.
Pleasure to meet you.
And we're going to tour your bedroom in a little bit, so.
Well, go ahead.
So we're going up the stairs to look at the bedrooms. I want to say thank you to Janelle and Donna for inviting us into this beautiful home.
All right.
Check this out, Fancy.
My God, this is fancy.
Hey, you could check out how much energy you're
So what is this?
This is how
Rain watch?
yeah, how good you feel. This is how smart you are. And this is all the bad things that you have, which is nothing.
Unbelievable. This is beautiful.
Wow, look at the ceiling.
And then look at the view out here. You have a view of the harbor. Unbelievable. Have a TV here. A little fireplace. Little kitchenette area. 17 years ago, she said they built this, right?
You have more room.
It looks like it was just built yesterday. I mean, really. Like, I mean, it does. It's unbelievable. Just
Wow.
look at that. I mean, that's like, what is that, 15 feet? These little handles here. I have never seen this, but they have these handles to reach your, I mean, this to reach your clothes up high, you pull this handle, and look at this. You pull this down, and there you go. Now you have the clothes that were up there, so you can reach them. That is amazing. I've never seen that before, Sarah. That is awesome. Let's put it back up there. Oh, boom, pops up, spring loaded. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the shower enclosure. Unbelievable.
We would not all fit, so. Wonderful.
Yeah, the limestone, like the fireplace, that was all made out of limestone from Italy. It has shrapnel in it.
Mm-hmm. They used to rust through on the outside of the house from the war, right?
It still is.
Yeah, the beach was
What
good.
other details? that I'm forgetting? Well, David went overboard with finding details, right?
He knows all the fine details.
Yeah, yeah.
It is really beautiful.
Yeah, it's so
We've
gorgeous.
had the Venetian plaster, and even the walls are unpolished Venetian plaster. And I built the house, 17 years ago, and I've never had to paint or anything.
I just want to say thank you to all the friends, all our friends here that brought all the food and the drinks. And we're getting ready to go outside and go out to the dock and get ready to go on the Duffy boat and see some beautiful decorated homes for Christmas and some beautiful decorated boats in the Christmas boat parade.
Yep.
Are you the captain?
Sure. I've done it before, so.
Here's the view of that gorgeous home we were just in from the dock here. We're getting ready to maybe have a few drinks before we get on the Duffy boat. I've got my fancy wine glass.
Remodel state, everything
And
is
Rain right
historic,
there.
So I'm like all about like
Merry
the-
Christmas, Rain.
Yeah, I thought it was cool. So the white wine is
You
The
are
perfect pour they said was on that line, so that's
Oh,
where
on
I'm
that
going. yeah.
Oh, the top?
No, this the bottom.
very top?
Yeah.
Cheers! Merry Christmas! Cheers! Woo! I gotta get some beer bottles in there. Woo! We're ready. We're getting on the Duffy. The electric
They have-
boat. Go, Sarah.
Go.
Go. Look at this.
You're acting.
This is special. Here we go.
nothing.
On the Jungle Cruise.
I know it's like
I feel like I'm on the Jungle Cruise, right?
Look at this. We got a
Thank
feast.
you for inviting us.
I know. Thank you.
Absolutely.
This is beautiful.
If I
This
say
is awesome.
anything rude or like out of
Oh, yeah.
context,
Oh.
please delete it.
Yeah.
Hiding.
Look at this.
hiding.
It's in hiding.
Yeah, Ramez.
It's in hiding.
Thank you.
Like that, huh?
This is
Let's
a-
go karaoke right now, baby.
I'm ready.
What are we waiting for?
Where's,
now.
where's the mic? Where's the mic? Where's the mic?
Yeah, just sing it.
Why can't we bring George? Why Mike?
I mean, what is this? Is Thanksgiving or
It's like Thanksgiving.
is Thanksgiving on a boat?
This is better than Thanksgiving.
This is better than Thanksgiving.
Yeah, this is amazing.
It's amazing. Look at that house.
No, that was impressive though.
That house. They went all out there. So this lady right here, she invented the baby carrot.
Yeah, it's on 2 or 3
It
lots.
was 2 lots and she bought both of them.
Crazy. The baby carrot gets you that.
Maybe can we invent?
Invent that with gene engineering.
Look at her Duffy.
That's not Duffy.
Bought a house for
The Shelley Ridge house right
No,
there.
it's called the King of Maine.
There you go. I'm working on it. That's
We
where I
have
was going
bread
the
right
first time.
here.
I know, but this,
Right in the middle of the parade in a little Duffy electric boat. Look at that. That is awesome. Pirate ship, red lights. We're not registered to be in the boat parade. So they gave us the lights. Woo!
We're gonna have to wait well.
Is that Jeff Bezos? My God, look at that yacht. That is crazy. Look at this yacht. Is that Elon Musk? Whoa! Woo!
It's all about kids.
Oh, and then there's happy, like instead of happy, it's like happy kiss.
No, it's the Kiss Army with holding the door.
Woo! Woo!
no, we pulled the hell out of him and he never responded.
No.
Whoa, it's gonna tip over. So that's a Duffy boat with a bunch of blow-ups and lights on it. Whoa, we got a huge Santa Claus on the back of that one. Look at that blow up. That is huge.
Merry Christmas!
Woo! My God.
My drug income is too high.
You wish.
Oh, then I would buy a boat. It's too high.
Awesome.
You gotta get rid of a bunch of.
I gotta go.
No, if you have to spend a bunch of money, I guess, to buy a boat. And then
Yeah. And then we called Hannah. We called her Cupcake, and we didn't know her name.
That was very nice. Thank you guys.
I'm glad you guys had fun.
Iris, she's ready for bed. So now we're exiting the dock, and I just want to say again, thank you to all of our friends for a wonderful night. We had a great time, and Merry Christmas. Love all you guys. Thank you. Bobby just ordered the Uber. We're all done with the Duffy boat. There's Ramez back there and Ray. Yeah.
There is Christmas. We are on Christmas.
We had a great time. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm in the back of an Uber. I'm cramped back here, but it's okay. See you, Ramez.
You have to stay here.
I have to stay.
Yeah.
I'm locked back here.
Yeah. Sorry.
I don't know if Sarah would like that.
You have to use the other
You
one.
have to use the button? There we go. I think.
I don't know what you said.
I need it up a little more. Does it go forward more?
You need to put your feet forward. What are you doing, dude?
I'm trying to get off.
You need to put your feet down first and then
What?
Right?
Sarah?
give me your phone.
No.
Wait, hold on. Let me move the chair.
Okay, go back again. Try it again. Let's see.
We have to pull these. There's something here.
Oh, something is. There we go.
Oh. I forgive you. Can you sit down on the ground?
This is like for a little kid back here, for sure.
Roll. There you go.
Okay, thank you, Ramez. Love you. Love you, Ramez.
Bye, Warren.
Thank you, Uber driver. Bye, Rain. Love you guys.
It's like I got your phone.
Okay, bye guys.
Hey everybody, it's Sarah and Father Spanky. We went on a Duffy adventure in Newport Beach, and now we're back at our car, and we had a fabulous time. We ate a lot of food. We ate a lot of food?
Yeah.
We had a lot of drinks, had a good time. I hope you guys had a good time too. Love you guys. See you next time.
If you want to work with me, there's some things you gotta know. I like to close fast and make offers real low. Real low.
Where are you going? Where are you going? We're going on Duffy. We're going on Duffy. We're going on Duffy.
There's a cord right here.